Toner cartridge setting error. Toner cartridge S not set. Black. Open the following part, then set correctly. Here's how to fix it. Turn off the printer and open the front cover. Remove the black toner cartridge. Reinstall it firmly until it clicks. Make sure you are using the correct toner model for your printer. When replacing the toner cartridge, gently shake it, remove the protective cap, then insert it into the copier. When installing a new toner cartridge, take about 15 to 20 seconds. If you do it too fast, the copier may not detect the replacement. When inserting the toner cartridge, make sure the bottom edge aligns with the cartridge guide slot inside the copier. Hold the end of the toner cartridge and rotate it about 70 to 90 degrees. That's it. Then close the cover and check the result. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and share this video. I love you.